We were able to work with John and Amy on some bathroom models for their house. And after they completed those projects with us, they came back to us to remodel their basement as well. Let's hear what they have to say.
Working with Tectonic was great. It was clear that everyone wanted to make the process go as smoothly as possible. And the fact that they're in house and talking to each other about each of those steps makes a difference. They asked at the beginning of the process, what's important to you? And one of my answers was communication. Construction can be stressful with good communication. So, construction with bad communication is much worse. And I think Tectonic understands that. They understand that if the clients have a worry, if the clients want to make a change, they'll be there to have answers and help facilitate that process.
John has a bit of a background in the construction industry and knows the challenges that come along with construction. And so, very early on with John and Amy, we were able to align on process and really help them stay informed and educated on their project and communicate throughout the process. And so much so that after we completed their bathroom renovations, we started working on a basement remodel for them and took them through our process again and just really built upon the trust that we established the first time in the project. And we're able to just crush their basement as well. If you want to hear more about how we can help you on your projects, feel free to reach out.